How to add a second WhatsApp account on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can add a second WhatsApp account on your Android device. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. So to add a second WhatsApp account on your device, you'll first need to open up your WhatsApp. So locate your WhatsApp app and then open it up. After you open up your WhatsApp, you will find the three dots on the top right. Tap on it and we will need to head over to settings from there. So after you see the settings option, tap on it. After you're on the settings, now if you guys didn't know, WhatsApp has an inbuilt feature itself. So if you don't find that feature, you can always update your WhatsApp to the latest version and you'll be able to do it too. Now what you'll need to do after you're here is simply tap on account. After you tap on account, you'll find the add account option. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll find the add account option again. Tap on that and you'll also be able to see your current account there. After you tap on add account, you will then be prompted to this section where you can tap on agree and continue. And now simply log in like you normally do with your WhatsApp. So simply type in your mobile number, then verify the number sent using the code that they send you. Then you can set up the profile for the second account. And then you can always switch account like normally by tapping on the three dots and switching account. And that's how you add a second WhatsApp account on your Android. Thanks for watching. That is it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.